Hey guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I bought a new house and I've been renovating it, and this is the result. So it's been a pretty wild ride over the last couple of years with leaving 7th Level and starting Dialer, and now we have Grant Cardone, Pace Morby, Cole Gordon, Andy Elliott, Gene Graziosi's company, all these kind of big players on the platform, and the company's growing really, really well, and it's been a really nice kind of chill, fun vibe to be growing a company again, but doing it with like extremely competent people, right? Which is a nice change. This is a full personal video. This is the renovation of my house. This is a long kind of very personal. So if you like my stuff, fantastic, stay. If you don't know who the fuck I am, you're more than welcome to stay, but you're probably gonna bounce out. Enjoy the video and welcome to my home. You can.
It's a temporary wall, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what's up here.
Daddy's just gone up the ladder. He's going to check if it's
I don't want to have to carry you guys up the ladder, because you won't be able to get down.
At the new house again. So it's not always going to be like this. This is the outside of our house. It's the balcony. So this is my room. My room. This is Mummy's beach chair. Don't know what's in here though. This is actually Jack's room. This is Jack's room. And they're actually going to take out these drawers. So it's like a secret hideout. And this is the kitchen. So this is baby Jesus.
Say Christ is Lord. Say Christ is Lord.
We actually got these. They're very new. Do you like them? They're right here. Put comments if you like them. This is our big cross. Come over here. This is the pool. It's a bit more cleaner than yesterday. So over there, it's so deep that my dad literally can't touch the bottom.
All right, so here we are. This is like day 3. So apparently that thing isn't even fucking bolted in. It is just sitting there. That big piece of shit. So that should be coming out tomorrow. They've done some more framing around here, framing the doors out, and obviously getting some better quality, newer wood, right? We signed off on all the stuff. This is like Sammy's like wardrobe room, so we signed off on all that. They found asbestos in there, so they're ripping that out tomorrow. So I think that'll be it there, right? Asbestos there. Anyway, so they're ripping that out tomorrow. There's a big ass thing there that I have no idea what that is. That looks like a water heater. That looks expensive. Okay, this is the upstairs. They broke this door, so they're replacing it, which is good because I wanted it replaced anyway. So much room for activities. We'll go downstairs. This thing's fucking wobbling. That seems dangerous. So the staircase is going to come up along here and kind of go up that way, like a big nice staircase. Then from there, running under the staircase along here is going to be like a desk for me, like a nice area. Then what we're doing over here, all of that's going to be like made into like a normal wall, like, and then it's going to be stone, and then like a nice big kind of TV there, and then this cool fireplace down here that goes through both sides. So the fireplace, they're gonna extend this door out a little bit. It's gonna be 1.8 wide, that, and the fireplace will go through to both. It's a working like gas fireplace. Yeah, so I'll be able to heat up both rooms, which would look dope. And like that's gonna be kind of like the the background of like my YouTube videos. So here's gonna be like where like my YouTube video is. So it's gonna be like here, and then over on that wall there, it's gonna be like big TV, stone, like a sandstone looking stone, and then a fireplace that goes through to both sides, and then like some nice big comfy couches, and that's gonna be like, you know, a nice little background for me, because like I don't like being confined to an office. I find it a bit uncomfortable. Like I just don't really need it. Yeah, and then we're not going to do anything to the backyard yet because it looks pretty dope. So anyway, that's it for now. That's day 3 renovations. Let's see what they've done today. All right, so that looks like where the stairs are going to be. So yeah, see if they did the bathroom yet. They put a hole here. Dale dug a hole.
Go on, tell them. Dale dug a hole.
That's a beautiful window. So that right there is gonna be like the walk-in wardrobe between the 2 rooms. So that's Summer's wardrobe right there, and this is Jack's wardrobe, which is massive. But he loves it. He gets to keep the whole thing. So that's pretty cool. And he's still got a big old giant room.
This is the downstairs. And this is the backyard.
Show them how good I am at basketball.
And this is my brother playing basketball. Yeah, the crowd goes wild.
First try, yes.
Not first try. This is my mum
Hello.
on the couch. Would you like to say anything?
I'm obsessed with Summer Belle.
Yeah, I'm Summerbelle. And this is my mum and dad's bedroom. Would you like to say anything?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to show you every single bit of the house. This is Summer's thing. Summer, you're so close to me. That is a hole in the roof.
That's very good. That is a hole in the roof.
That is an Irish daddy. That is a rug. Mummy is not wearing rags.
Not wearing rags.
Yeah, I hope.
I didn't know that needed to be clarified.
This is soap.
the
That
bathroom?
is rubbish on the floor. Let me show you Daddy's safe. This is Daddy's safe. I know the code, but I can't tell you. You're not supposed to talk, Summer. Unless I need help. That is a big moving thing that the people who are here truck their stuff into. And that's how it works. That's what's up, bro. And I'm going to show you a very, very, very big car. Come on, camera girl. You got to follow me.
This is Daddy's car. I know it's ginormous. It's really tall, so it's a bit hard for me to get in. We're actually gonna go on YouTube after this video, and we're gonna be famous.
So Jack, Summer and I are going to do our own YouTube videos here and there, put them on Matt's channel just for a bit of fun. So our first video is going to be an unboxing of collectibles. We're going to go and buy like 10 different collectibles from our shop, our local shop,
How are we?
and unbox them.
This channel gets the fun. The videos. The unboxing videos.
But I think that'd be so fun.
Yeah.
Unboxing videos go really well. I love them. And the kids would love doing that, right? Yeah.
We'll start a second channel.
You're like, I don't want it on my channel.
It'll fuck my channel up. It'll ruin the
Swear.
But that means kids will start to follow you, and you'll get more.
No, yeah, no, I don't want kids following me.
Why?
Because Daddy swears in some of his videos.
Kids don't make any.
Can we turn it off now? Because we're done.
Okay, so stairs and base coat of paint has gone up. Everything looks green, but it's because it's got a green film on it. Base coat of paint. They did all the cornices. Right. The guy actually put all that in the wall. Like he routed all that himself, which I thought was pretty cool. Jackie's gigantic wardrobe. Jackie has he's always got a giant room, which is good. Alrighty, so the stairs, they built this in one day. So my desk goes there. It's like 3.7 long. And so they did a great job. It's like not very intrusive. This is all gonna be capped off with like hardwoods and shit. But this was like basically prefabbed off site, and then one dude just installed this by himself today. Here we go. Don't walk in here because there's a big old bathroom in it, guys. All the waterproofing. Don't walk in there because that's all like a hard coat of. I said don't do that.
I've already gone in there.
It's discreet. So no, don't. Did you seriously?
Yeah, I didn't know. The key to the front.
Alrighty. What's happening? Staircase. It's good to go. Oh. Oh, that's great. And then look, Jackie, I'm out here. Not done yet, but yeah. You like it? What do you think?
I feel taller.
I know, right? I had the same thing. Because I think it's about that much taller. You're like, wow.
Is this my house? Answer, please.
And they've knocked out the hole for the fireplace. This wall and this fireplace cost $35K. But it goes through to the other side. So it's gonna go through both sides. The renovation is done. It was a big process, but it happened really quickly, actually. We used a company called Valor Residential, and we'll link their details down below. Yeah, they were excellent. Like, it only took 7 weeks. Then from there, my office part, we just finished because we did that separately with a friend of ours who's like a professional shop fitter and carpenter. And so like he built that and needed it all to spec, stuff like that. There's still little bits and pieces that we're doing. Like we're going to redo the front and probably do some stuff to the pool area. But like overall, we love it. It's great. The kids got a chance to like design their room. I think overall the space turned out really well. It's like a much larger land size than our previous home, and it's just a much happier vibe. We moved away from the area double bay that we were in, which has been a massive plus. Even though like every kind of people, it's a very prestigious area, we just didn't like it. It's so much quieter around here, and like we can go for scooter rides as a family. We can, you know what I mean? Like there's no noise at night. Like it's just absolutely phenomenal. The kids are obsessed with the pool. They are in there almost every single day. It's kind of fun having a thing that you have to do, you know, like I have to maintain the pool, which is like, I had to learn how to do that. And it's just overall, I think this house is a fantastic vibe. So yeah, all up, the renovation probably cost about $500,000, which I think was pretty good. Considering all the stuff that we did and the time frame in which it was done in. The builders, Valor Residential, like they knocked it out of the park. They did a phenomenal job and were like extremely clean. They didn't destroy the flooring because it's like quite old original parquet flooring from like the, you know, the 20s or whatever it was when this house was originally built, which is great. So not having to redo that would cost hundreds of thousands of dollars by itself, and they we're really careful to not destroy it. The design itself, like we got all new furniture. We went with a totally different color scheme. So there's like greens all over the house. That's the first time me and my wife have sort of really sat down and actually thought about like, how do we tie in a color scheme to a house? And it turned out really good. And we went far more minimalistic than what we usually do, even though it might look busy for some people, but for us, this is like proper minimal, right? Wife loves her space upstairs. She has her wardrobe room. We are potentially going to block off that office area and actually like block it off with some big pocket doors. So I can close that off and then we can open it up when we have people around, but I can close it off for when I have like early morning meetings. I'm not a person who likes having a set office area. However, in our previous house, we had 3 levels. There was always a level where somebody wasn't, and I could always go there, especially in the morning during the chaos. But here, I don't have that. This house is bigger, but it's not 3 levels. So yeah, so we're probably going to do something like that just because obviously my work is a priority and I can't just like be having kids in the fucking background all the time, especially getting ready in the morning. Like it's just chaos. So we'll probably do that. We still have to do the laundry, but like it's very workable. So we're not super concerned about that at the moment. And we'll probably just, you know, recoup our funds from, you know, because all up now, the house, you know, this, in Australia, you pay a thing called stamp duty. So you pay, like, I think 6% of the house. So we had to pay like $350,000 for that. And then we paid another $500,000 for the reno. And then we paid, you know, like the commission for selling our previous home, which was like $150,000. So, it's like $1 million cash that we've spent, in the last little bit. Right? Plus the deposit for the house and that kind of stuff. So it's been a lot of money out the door, but it's all right. I make plenty of money. Everything's going well. I'm rich, bitch! Let me know what you think of this kind of video. I absolutely love this house. It's such a bright, happy vibe. And we're going to be here for a long time. So let me know what you think down in the comments of this type of video. I know it's a little bit different. Maybe you don't give a fuck. I suppose if you do watch it, though, you probably do give some of a fuck. So, yeah. All right, guys, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.